Suzanne and.
I think it's Del Cueto, but I can't remember.
Hello.
Good morning, everyone.
Hi, how can I help you?
I'm Miss Aguilar. I came to pick up some papers that Miss Salinas was going to.
Everyone stay muted. Okay, good morning, everyone. First one on the docket is Suzanne Kramer.
I'm here in the courtroom. My client is Selena Mendoza.
What page is it on, Miss Kramer?
Oh, my goodness, Judge. I'm sorry. I'm sitting in the courtroom, so I don't have any of my stuff in front of me.
Okay, let me see if I can find it. Hold on.
I can get you a cause number.
That's usually takes longer.
Page 5, Your Honor.
It's 66.
I got it. Okay. Go ahead, Miss Kramer.
Okay, I need to, hold on, they're getting rid of the echo. Just mute it. Now, is it better now?
Not now, sir. Not you.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's fine.
I need to talk to a prosecutor. The blood came in on Selena, so I need to see, we were waiting on that, so I need to see what they want to do with her.
Okay. That's a problem. Just stand in line. There's only one prosecutor, so it's gonna be a mess.
Can't use his computer. Wish you wouldn't have done that.
I will, I just heard his voice, so I sat down.
understand.
Well, I can move in front of the camera.
Please.
Next.
Next one would be, Your Honor, Joe Guiliami.
Who?
Good morning, Your Honor.
That's, oh, never mind.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I have two cases on the docket. I have Miss Ortega. She's number 1 on the first page, Your Honor. And then I also have Mr. Fentress on page 4 towards the bottom, Your Honor. Eric Fentress, 661-835. If I could get into a breakout room with Mr. Lowry to discuss these cases, Your Honor.
Sure. Remember, folks, everybody, there's only one prosecutor, so you may be in line for a while.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Then I'll.
Next one is Robert Valdez.
Mr. Valdez, I haven't seen you since yesterday, so. Well, he's a man.
Michael Zamora.
Good morning, Your Honor. My client's not on the docket, but I was informed I could speak with one of the ADAs in reference to this matter.
Okay, just stand in line.
Thank you. If I could, in the meantime, speak with the CLO, Richardson.
Okay, Corey, go with them, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All righty. Philip Lampert.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Crystal Cepeda. I was trying to figure out what page it was before I got called. Looks like it's page 2, Your Honor.
What's the name? Oh, there it is.
Crystal Cepeda, yes. I've been having a lot of problems getting a hold of her. I'm unsure of if she's on right now. She has not contacted my
Are
office.
you on, Crystal Cepeda? Okay, it'll be a bond forfeiture at the end of the
Understood. And she may be in the courtroom, but again, she has not called me back. Thank you, Judge.
All right, the bailiff will call out and see if she's there in the courtroom or outside the courtroom.
And
He
if I
usually
get-
doesn't know if she's there. Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
thank you.
That's all I had on your docket. Is there any way I can be excused?
You're excused, sir. If somehow shows up, we'll give you a call.
Thank you, Judge.
Efraín Torres.
Your Honor, good morning. My client is Miriam Sarabia Menchaca, Judge. We had an offer from the prosecutor, Judge, and we had to get together a packet for revision on that offer, Judge. I would like to submit that via email.
Is she on here?
I believe she is. She should be, Judge.
Ms. Menchaca? Okay, she's on. Go ahead, Mr. Jordan.
So yes, if we can just, if I can just submit that via email, Judge, and be excused and wait to see if they're gonna agree on reducing, the offer. I have to submit them, paperwork via email.
Okay, we'll reset it to December 9th. Hopefully it'll be done by then. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. Appreciate it.
David Christian,
Good morning, Mr. Christian.
Good morning, Your Honor. Trey Stein, he's on the Zoom, page 5. We have plea ready for you whenever you're ready.
Okay, as soon as we get through this docket, we'll try to get him out of here.
Yes, sir.
Is the paperwork already been done, sent to me? Do you know?
I believe that it has, Your Honor, but we'll
I'll
double
look
check
at,
on it.
I'll look and see as soon as I call the docket. Maybe.
Yes,
I
sir.
Okay.
Carlos Gonzalez,
Yes, sir.
Jeffrey Cox. I believe I'm gonna need the opportunity to confer with the state, but either way, I don't believe we'll be able to dispose of this today. So in interest of time, may I request a reset, please?
Mr. Cox here.
I gave him the information, but I don't believe he is here, sir.
All right, it's a bond forfeiture.
I'm sorry?
It's a bond forfeiture.
If I can get I guess getting a call and see if he can get on here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, I appreciate it.
This is courtroom. This is just like being in the court. You gotta be here.
Yes, sir. 1 second, please.
Okay. Next.
Martin Hunt,
I'm here. Can you guys hear me?
You can hear you, can't see you.
Judge? There we go.
There you
guess the
go.
wire was loose.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Judge, so we're supposed to do a plea on my client's case this morning, but it was dismissed this morning. She
Good,
does
good.
have another pending case that the state has also agreed to dismiss. I need to get them a document, so we just need a new setting so I can have some time to get them a document for that dismissal.
Okay, December 9th.
Thank you, Judge.
Sure.
May we be excused.
Yes, sir.
is Mr. Joey Contreras.
Good morning, Joey.
Morning, Your Honor. My client is actually here in our office. He's elderly and does no computers, but he's present with us.
He's just like me then.
Kind of like me too.
Elderly and don't know anything about computers.
Well, the elderly part I don't know about. We just need to get in line to talk to the prosecutor judge.
Okay. All right. No problem.
Mr. Del Cueto in the courtroom, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Del Cueto.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Fine. Why don't you talk to, are you here in the motion you filed?
Yes, Judge.
I looked at it this morning. Talk to the prosecutor, and then after the docket, I'll talk to both of y'all, and we'll decide what to do after that. Okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor, is that the speedy motion for Nigar Sanchez?
Yes.
I got the signed order from the judge and sent out the dismissal today.
There you go, Mr.
Thank
Del
you. Thank you, Judge. May I be excused, Your Honor?
You win for the first time in your life. How about
For the
that?
first time, Judge, let's mark the day.
Thank you, sir. If you'll check back, I think I signed it already, but check back or check with the clerks or check with somebody, see if they got it, and then you go from there.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
All right, bye.
Mr. Kurt Grancy.
Hi, Kurt. How are you?
Hey, Judge. I just need to talk to Christian Lowry.
Okay, stand in line, please.
Okay, thank you. My client's here, by the way.
Okay, good.
Okay, next one is Mr. Robert Gibbia.
Hey, Bobby, where are you?
Good morning, Judge. I have Cassandra Tristan. She's on page 4. She is present on the Zoom. We are
Okay.
asking for a reset for disposition to the December docket. We have to do the upfront classes.
Okay, December 9th.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Be careful.
David Garcia.
Morning, Dave.
Morning, Judge. Good to see you. I've got Jesse Juarez. He's on page 3 of 8. I've got him on a DWI, and Ernest Acevedo has him on page 8 for an assault. I'm standing in for Ernest today. Client's in jail. I believe he's on the Zoom under Juarez. I'm assuming that's him. There's
a tortoise. Is there a Juarez there?
Thought I saw a Juarez, but he is in jail, Judge, and he's got felonies. I
Okay.
represent him on 2 and Ernest represents him on 1. There's a trial date on one of the old felonies on the 29th of this month.
Okay, let's say it for December 15th. Hopefully.
Sounds great.
These will be resolved. And that takes care of Ernest too?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, no problem.
You have a great day.
You too, sir.
Charles Peters.
Good morning, Judge. I'm present with Ms. Jeanette Garcia. She's on page 3.
Okay. Okay. What are we doing with Ms. Garcia?
We have a plea agreement. We're finishing up some community service hours. I can either talk to Mr. Lowry and see if they'll go forward with the agreement, or we can reset for the December date for disposition.
Okay, is she on here?
She is, Judge.
Yeah, I found her. Okay. It's hard to find them in this little things. Okay, yes, why don't you talk to Mr. Lowry, and if not, then come back and I'll give you a date, okay?
Over, Judge.
Mr. Richard Sullivan.
Council's present, Your Honor. We have an offer. My client is present as well. I see him. He has a green little box there, but we do have an offer, Judge. We're getting some of these classes that we need to turn in up front, so we're just asking for a 30-day reset.
That's fine, December 9th, sir.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes, sir. Be careful.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Mr. Barry Hitchens.
Morning, Your Honor. I read Stephanie Cedillo. She's on the page 5, the very last case. Ms. Cedillo has 3 felonies, one of which is indicted with a computer date setting of February the 11th in the 186. The other 2 felonies are, I believe, still unindicted. I can talk to the prosecutor, but I don't know what good it would do with 3 pending felonies.
Well, what's going to happen? I mean, are they going to trial the felonies or the potential pleas? I mean, I don't know.
Well, first of all, 2 of the 3 are unindicted felonies. And then one, a forgery of a commercial instrument or check, is indicted. That's the one that has a computer setting of February the 11th. I've not talked to the felony prosecutors on any of these cases as they're still fairly recent.
Okay, well, we never know if they're going to indict anybody anyway, so we can't reset things for something that hadn't been indicted. But I'm going to give you a January 5th date and see if you can get resolved by then.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. She is present on the screen. If we both can be excused.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Adam Cobbs.
Morning, Adam. I saw him here somewhere.
There it is. Sorry about that, Judge. I've got an Aaron Ragosa. He's the second from the top, page 3. I do not see him on the screen. He does have a felony pending with no court date. It just got indicted.
Okay, I need to have him here. It's a bond.
Judge, I'll try and get in touch with him. Can I be excused until I can reach him and try and get him in?
We got till the end of the docket. Okay, no problem.
Mr. Ron Zimmerman.
Mr. Zimmerman's on the phone.
Okay. Damian Science.
Good afternoon. Good morning, Judge. I have Tanya Ibarra, Y-B-A-R-R-A. It's on page 4. I believe there's still a video missing on this, Judge. I was looking through the evidence portal this morning. Not sure if it's been uploaded yet or not. I can talk to the prosecutor about it. Pardon?
Yeah. Why don't you get in line, talk to him and see what's going on.
Okay, will do. Thank you.
And come back to see me. All right.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Daniel Vela.
Hey, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning, Dave.
Hey, this is on Mr. Roberto Valdez Hernandez, and he's here. It's the one that says Nelly's iPhone.
Okay,
And I haven't actually it's a fairly new setting. I haven't actually had a chance to confer, so I guess I'll get in line and see what.
get in
we go
line,
from there.
talk to him. After you talk to him, get back to me.
Okay.
Okay. Alfredo Science.
Good morning, Mr. Sines. I can't hear you. You're muted, sir. Or you're stuck.
Good morning, Judge. My client is with me, Your Honor. It's a first setting, and I suppose it'd be good to confer with the state.
Yes, you have to confer with the state. Then come back and see me.
Thank you, Judge.
Sure.
Mr. Patrick Valentine, did you make an announcement already?
Good morning, Patrick.
Morning, Judge. Cecilia Davila, she's a recall from yesterday for a plea. We're just awaiting paperwork. I provided Chris with our email addresses.
Okay. As soon as it's done, let me know. I'll get you in and out. Okay.
Will do.
Morning, Judge. Hector Garza.
Garza.
Go ahead, Mr. Garza. Who do you have?
Jared Godinez.
Okay.
There should be a trial announcement.
So what are you gonna do?
Oh, we're ready for trial, Judge.
Okay, do you want a trial next week?
Sure. I have one other one scheduled downtown, so I guess one of the two will go for sure.
Okay, well, be here on October 25th. And if there's a trial, it'll be on the 27th at 1:30, picking the jury. But you and your client need to be there on the 25th.
On the 25th?
Yes, sir.
What time, Judge?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Got it.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Sure.
Judge, just an update, Attorney Gonzalez for Jeffrey.
Ron Zimmerman.
Present, Judge.
Yes.
I represent Yvonne Aponte, and that's on page, it's case number 667-169, and that's on towards the top on page number 6. At this time, she is trying to get on Zoom. She is located right now in the Josephine Recovery Center. She's a inpatient at the Josephine Recovery Center, and they're trying to assist her in zooming in on a company cell phone.
Okay.
At this time.
Well, it's a bond forfeiture at this point, but once she gets on, let me know.
Okay, will do, Judge.
Okay.
Okay.
I think I have gotten all the lawyers, unless I missed one that did
Good
not
morning.
identify themselves. There you
Enriqueta
go.
Perez.
Hey, Ms. Perez.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning, Your Honor. I
Good
have
morning.
Randy Salmaron, and he's on screen, and we just need to talk to the state.
Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor. Also, Cesar Montalvo. I represent Mr. Salmeron as well. He retained us here in September 28th, and we have a signed substituted order.
And who's the other? Okay. Who's the attorney right now?
Currently, I am.
I know. Who was the appointed lawyer, or was there one?
I believe Ms. Enriqueta Perez was formally retained.
Okay. Then now you're the new lawyer, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, that's fine. Then make sure you get on the phone, talk to her, and tell her you.
Here I am.
Okay. Apparently they hired a new lawyer. So I don't
Okay, sounds good. I'll go ahead and get in touch with him. Do you want to confer with the state then, sir? And you and I can have the judge sign the order to substitute?
Sure, not a problem.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you, Your Honor.
know. Sure thing. Just hang on and talk, confer with the state and then come back and see. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank
I'll
you.
get in line.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I be dismissed?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for your time.
Have a great day.
Okay.
Judge, may I approach?
Yes, sir. Hey, Ruben, how are you?
I'm doing good, Judge. I'm here on Mark
Cáceres, he's the last one on your docket. He's out on bond, Judge. I reached out as recently as this morning to him. I have not been able to get a hold of him. And he does have a felony that's not indicted, but as of now, I haven't gotten in touch with him.
Okay, well, there's a bond forfeiture.
If I happen to get a hold of him, Judge, I'll let him, I'll log back on.
Okay, not a problem.
Thank you.
May I approach?
Yeah, who?
This is Attorney Gonzalez. We
Oh,
were
yes.
waiting for Mr. Cox, my client. He is now on, and
Okay.
I'm requesting a reset.
Okay, what's the issue in your case? Just want a trial?
Yes, sir. I'd like to confer, but I'm just saying for the interest of time.
No interest in time here. You gotta
Well,
confirm.
because I don't believe anything will be able to be disposed of today.
Okay, have you gotten all your discovery?
Yes.
Okay, then I need a discovery acknowledgement signed, and then you can go.
Okay, Judge.
Because you can't, I don't want you complaining later that you didn't have this, that, or the other.
Sure, no problem.
Okay, so.
Email that to?
Huh?
Who would I email that to?
Mr. Lowry, and then you email it to, well, you send it to Miss Castillo and she'll get it sent to me, so I can sign it.
And Judge, this is Suzanne. I'm back from the breakout room with Chris on Selena Mendoza.
Okay.
Apparently, there's still some discovery that they're in the process right now of uploading. There was a car accident in this case, and the accident report has not.
I'm sorry, they're in the process of what? I didn't hear you.
Chris reached out to whoever does the uploading of discovery in the DA's office, so they said they're doing it as we speak. It's an accident report. There was a car accident in this case that has not yet made it to my e-discovery, but they're in the process of getting that uploaded.
Okay, I'm gonna resend it to December 9th.
Thank you very much, Judge. May Selena and I be excused?
Yes, ma'am, be careful.
Okay, thank you. Be safe.
You too. Now, what pleas are we waiting on? Mr. Christian had one, and then Mr. Valentine had one. Is that correct?
David Christian on 665050, and that's on page 5. Let me see if I can find the paper.
Have you sent me the stuff? Mr. Christian, what's your client's name?
I just sent you some documents on that Trey Stein 665050. Apparently that one was already signed, but you can just look at it and mark it if you want to.
Yes, no, sir.
Yes, hello? May I remind everybody, keep your mics muted, keep your cameras still. You are in a County Court 9, which is in session. Act as if you were in the courtroom, please. Thank you. Please, no eating. You are in a courtroom, ma'am. Mr. Rodney Rodriguez, please remove yourself from where you're at. go to a kitchen, go outside, remove yourself from that location, sir. Thank you.
I'll be right back. Mr. Christian, who's your client?
Trey Stein.
Okay.
I think his actual name is Trey. I just need a good deal Stein, but we call him Trey Stein.
Your Honor, that document had already been signed by Judge Saldaña, so I sent it to your regular email.
Okay, yeah, I got it. All right, when we get a prosecutor, we can do this plan. You got it.
I think there's 160 of them, Judge. Did you only get one today?
160 what?
Prosecutors.
Yeah, only got one. Joe Gonzalez is too busy. So is Phil Stazen. So is Christian.
Judge, this is Ron Zimmerman, if I may.
Yes, sir.
Judge, I do have Yvonne Aponte on the screen.
Okay, great.
And she is present, Judge, and actually, I have no business at this time to discuss with prosecutors, so may we be excused?
Why? What? Are you going to plead?
No, we're not going to be pleading.
Okay, do you have all your discovery?
I believe so, Judge.
Okay, I need a discovery acknowledgement signed.
No, Judge, that has not been signed.
Okay, you need to get it done, signed, and get me in to sign it. All right.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Your Honor, this is Attorney Joe Giamino. I've returned from the breakout room, Mr. Lowry.
Yes, sir.
Okay, on the two cases I've got with regards to the two cases, again, it's Ms. Ortega on top of page 1, and then Mr. Fentress on the towards the bottom of page 4. In both cases, we've obtained conditional offers. So I'd ask the court if we could get perhaps 30 days so my clients can fulfill the conditions of those offers so we can get the cases disposed of.
Sure, December 9th.
December 9th. Thank you, Your Honor. May my clients and I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
After you took all this time to set it up for me. I appreciate it.
Your Honor, this is Eduardo Jimenez. May I see a prosecutor for my client, Thomas Esquivel?
Sure, stand in line.
Okay.
Your Honor, this is Christina Mendiola for Rodney Rodriguez. He also has a pending felony arising from the same incident, so I'm not sure if we could just have a quick pass so I can see if that one's being disposed of together with this one.
Where is the felony?
The felony, I believe, is, let's see, let me check the email. I'm not sure. District Court 226, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll set it for December 9th.
Okay, thank you. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hi, Judge. My name is Alexandria Vargas. I'm an ADA here. I just hopped on. This is my first docket, but I can talk to a defense attorney if they're ready.
Yeah, there's like 50 of them waiting to talk.
Okay.
Judge, if I can also get on that list, I'd appreciate that.
Sure.
Judge, may I approach?
Yes, sir. What's up?
Okay, Steve Harkowitz. I'm here for Richard Libertini, and I see he's on the screen. About a week or so ago, I was appointed to represent him on a DWI. And then yesterday, apparently I was substituted in and appointed to him on another DWI. He previously was represented by Courtney Daly. And I have not had an opportunity to download and look at the discovery, especially on the one that I just got to learn that I was appointed yesterday. I didn't even receive a notice appointment order. I found out by accident trying to download the discovery. And I'm asking if I could get a reset to give me a chance to at least look at the discovery.
December 9th.
Thank you, Judge. Can Mr. Libertini be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Sean Farmer has arrived.
Yes, sir.
Oh, good morning, Your Honor. I'm actually in another courtroom right now, but I was here for Ryan Langford. I've been trying to get a hold of him, but I have not received a response.
Okay, it's a bondful.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I may be excused.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have a good day.
Mr. Joey Contreras has arrived back from conferring.
Yes, sir.
We're missing one item of discovery, Judge. If we could have a reset while they send it to us, then we can be prepared to probably do something.
Okay, December 9th.
December 9th. Thank you, Judge. May I be excused? Me and
Yes,
my
sir.
client. All right. Thank
Yes.
you. Have a good one, Judge.
You too.
Your Honor, just throwing this out here. This is David Christian here. What if we take one of those prosecutors and just knock out this plea? What you're thinking on that?
That's fine with me. Just get.
Let me go ahead and get that.
Okay.
Get either one of them out here. We'll get the plea done.
Okay,
Go.
great. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Garcia, are you driving? Please pull your vehicle over, sir.
He will be here shortly.
Your Honor, I'm here and I'm ready to go for this plea.
Judge, I think you're on mute.
Y'all ready for the plea, everybody? Court reporter?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. This is 665050, State versus Trey Stein. Are you Trey Stein?
Yes, Your Honor.
Would you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, put your hand down. Are you the same Mr. Stein who's charged with the offense with driving while intoxicated? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. First of all, Mr. Christian, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under
I
the
have.
state?
Yes, sir, I have.
State, have you all complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
We have, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Stein, I have some papers here from your attorney in the district attorney's office which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand, sir, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what can happen to you if you plead? Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have a right to a trial by jury to contest this matter if you want to? Did you know that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone force you or make you give up that right?
No, Your Honor.
How do you plead to this offense then?
Guilty?
Did anyone force you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to find this plea voluntarily made. State, what is your recommendation?
$0 fine, court costs, 2 days.
I didn't hear the fine. I'm sorry.
$0 fine.
Okay.
Court costs, 2 days Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time money to run concurrent, and the state is recommending a JSAT in concurrence with the felony agreement.
And is that your understanding, Mr. Christian?
Judge, it is. He is currently on felony probation and he's being supervised by the 227. So we did work out this agreement. We'd ask that you follow it.
Okay. I'm going to order, sir, no fine. I'm going to order you to pay court costs 2 days in Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time, sir. Run the time and money concurrently so your judgment is satisfied. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Sure.
Can we be excused?
Yes, sir.
Good luck to you today. Good luck, Mr. Lowry. Hang in there.
And Your Honor, is there another one ready to go or should I jump back in?
You can go back in. I don't think there is anybody ready to go.
Mr. Grant, are you ready to approach the judge?
Yes, if I could.
Yeah, what's up?
Judge, I've conferred with the prosecutor. They're going to offer my client, well, they're offering her deferred adjudication on a DWI where there's an accident and a blow over 0.15. However, they need to call the person involved in the accident on a restitution potential claim. And so I'd like to see if I could reset it, probably just be reset for a plea, assuming that they can get in touch with the person involved in the accident.
December 9th.
Okay, sounds good, Judge. Let me check something if I could, Your Honor.
Sure.
How's everything been going?
All right.
Good.
I hate the Zoom stuff, but oh.
Well, it's, I'm not wearing out my suits, December 9th. I have a felony MTR set in Guadalupe County that day. However, it's been reset repeatedly and probably be reset again.
All right,
go ahead and set
December
it.
15th.
That'd be good.
Okay,
Okay, thank you, Judge.
sure thing. Bye-bye. Ruben, Mr. Peters, anybody? What's up?
Judge, I've worked out an agreement with Mr. Lowry. We're going to have the paperwork and everything ready to go for the disposition of the next date, if we can get that December date.
December 9th. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Sure.
Judge, I got a hold of my client. I'm waiting for him to log on.
Okay.
Judge, I was still waiting for Thomas Esquivel to talk to a prosecutor.
Okay. So still wait. All right. I got to take this call.
All right.
Mr. Jimenez, I guess you were on two, because I put one Eduardo Jimenez away.
What would you, what? I'm sorry, I don't understand.
I saw two Eduardo Jimenez's.
Oh, because I switched devices. I switched to my mobile phone. So I'm on one device now, just my mobile phone. That's the Eduardo. Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor. May I approach?
They'll be with you shortly, Mr. Montalvo. Okay, Mr. Montalvo has arrived, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. I've conferred with ADA Bogus on our case. We've requested some more additional documents, some additional discovery. It's a relatively new case, and we're just needing about 30 days.
All right, December 9th. Get it done.
You got it, Your Honor. May we be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Ms. Castillo, if I can have a second, please.
I'm sorry, who was speaking?
Attorney Gonzalez, I just wanted to confirm, I'm not sure if I was put in a breakout room or if you're.
Oh, okay. I'll put you in.
Thank you.
Judge, can I approach?
Yes.
On Jonathan Jimenez, I'm present. My client is also present. I'd like to talk to the state if possible.
Yep. No problem.
And Mr. Ramos has arrived as well.
Sorry for being late, Judge. I had a play in the 187th.
So what's up?
Judge, on page 4, 658-793, 658-794, I believe Lamontre, he's got a pending felony. And the 226, we'd like to resolve that before we address the misdemeanor issues, and that resolving that felony might resolve the misdemeanors as well.
All right, December 9th.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Vela has returned, and so as well Mr. Sines.
Yes, sir. Mr. Sines, what's up?
Yes, Your Honor, I just finished talking with the Assistant District Attorney, and we're missing some discovery, Your Honor. And
What are you missing?
one of the videos, it's a long video, and she can't get it, neither can I.
What do you mean you can't get it?
It doesn't download. It doesn't, I'm not sure if it's incompatible with my system. I don't know. She couldn't download it either.
Oh.
That's one of the issues. And
well, how's it going to be resolved?
Me?
How are you going to resolve that issue?
Oh, I'm going to call the IT people over at the Discovery IT people.
Okay.
And see if they can fix it up.
Okay, December 9th.
Yeah, is it? She's okay with a reset, Your Honor.
December 9th.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't hear you. December 9th. Okay. May I be excused then, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm. What's up, Dan? Hello.
Hey, Judge. Okay, my guy is at Roberto Valdez. He shows up as Nelly's phone. He's there, or Nelly's iPhone. So I did confer with Mr. Lowry. There's some mitigating factors that he's asking that if I get to him and I get my client, go with my client about that it will change the offer. And I'd like to do the opportunity to do that.
December 9th.
Okay, thank
Get
you.
it done. Get it done today so you can be ready on the 9th.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, can I reapproach?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I go ahead and get another reset? I'm going to confer with the state by email.
No, you got to confirm with them.
Will do.
Mr. Zimmerman, did you confer yet?
I haven't conferred, Judge. I'm waiting for the discovery acknowledgement from the state. I believe they have to generate that and
Okay.
to get that
Okay,
signed.
I remember. Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Mr. Mora, did you ever get a chance for your issue that's on the docket?
No, Your Honor. I'm just still waiting to confer with an ADA.
Okay. And Mr. Ballantyne, what's happening?
I'm still waiting on paperwork.
Okay.
Hi, Mr. Aldape. Did your client get to go to your office?
He is.
Okay, good deal. All right, so the judges stepped out for a minute, and once he comes back, I'll see if the state can approach, okay?
Thank you.
Hi, who's your client?
Your Honor, my client is Donovan Mayberry.
I think I got that paperwork. Hold on.
Yeah, this is the recall from yesterday. We're midway through the plea and his Wi-Fi.
Yeah, let me find it.
It's going to be case number 658-860, Judge.
So I know, but.
And I send it to you by email right now in case you need the paperwork. It's been done.
Yes, yeah, go ahead and send it again. I know I have it here. I'm just looking all the old stuff. All right, I got Mayberry back. Okay. Let's start over with the play, I guess.
And Mr. Jesse Sanchez is there for announcement.
Okay, Jesse, what's up? Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. Sorry I was late. I was in the 290th. I have a Gus Garcia. I don't know if he's present. I sent him, I called him last night and sent him.
He's on there. Mhm.
Okay. If I can confer with the state?
Sure. And Ms. Castillo, could you get one of the prosecutors out so we can do
Right away, Judge. Okay, he'll be here shortly.
Okay.
if I can approach, please.
Sure, what's up?
This is Attorney Gonzalez for Jeffrey Cox. I had the opportunity to speak with the state. It looks like we're going to set for a plea, and he just needs time to send over the paperwork to us so we can get that signed over.
Can you do it next week?
I believe we can, sir. Yes.
Okay. Ms. Castillo, can you set it for Wednesday or Thursday next week?
Thursday would be October 28th.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you very much, Judge. May we be dismissed?
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
Okay, we got Mr. Lowry here. We're gonna do a plea. All right,
Yes, Judge.
all right. This is 656-332 State versus Donovan. Mr. Mayberry, would you raise your right hand?
We missed that. Okay. We missed the cause number because it kind of messed up the.
Okay. 656-332 State versus Donovan Mayberry. Mr. Mayberry, would you raise your right hand? You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Honor.
Okay, you need to speak up. You can put your hand down, but you need to speak up loud, okay?
Yes,
Are
Your
you
Honor.
Mr. Mayberry, who's charged with offensive reckless driving? Is that you?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Aldapi, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under our discovery rules?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, have you all complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Mayberry, I have some papers here from the district attorney's office and from your attorney, which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand, sir, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what can happen to you if you end up pleading? Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have a right to trial by jury to contest this matter if you want to. Did you know that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anyone force you or make you do that?
No, Your Honor.
All right. How do you plead?
No contest.
You understand no contest plea does not help at all in misdemeanor court. Has the same legal effect as guilty plea. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You still wish to plead no contest?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find this plea voluntarily made. Mr. Lowry, what is the plea bargain, please?
$200 fine, court costs, 30 days over 8 months probation, driver safety course, 24 hours community service, and the state will be taking into consideration case number 652377.
Is that your understanding, Mr. O'Loughlin?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'm gonna sentence you, sir, 30 days in the Bear County Jail, suspend that sentence, place you on probation for 8 months, $200 fine plus court costs, driver safety course, 24 hours community service, and in part of your punishment, I'm gonna take into consideration 652377. Good luck to you, sir. You
And
need-
Your Honor, it was my understanding they were going to withdraw the MTR as well on case number 642840.
I believe that's correct. Corey, could you send that out?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Mr. Mayberry, you need to stay on and talk to Mr. Richardson.
Yes, Your Honor.
Well,
Be excused after he confers with probation, Judge.
yes, sir. Thank you, Hamid. Be careful.
Take care.
Judge, can I approach?
Sure, what's up?
On Jonathan Jimenez, I've had a chance to talk to the prosecutor. They haven't made contact with their complaining witness, so we're asking for a reset.
All right, you got till December 9th, excuse me.
Okay, thank you.
Sure.
Judge, may I approach? This is Eduardo Jimenez.
Yes, sir.
It's on Thomas Esquivel. He has a pending felony, and Chris wanted more time to talk to the felony prosecutor to figure out before he gives me an offer, Your Honor.
All right, December 9th.
December 9th? Okay, thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Hey, Chris, have you sent me the paperwork on the Cecilia Davila plea?
Give me a minute to, chat me the case number and then give me a minute. I can't search it while I'm sending out this dismissal.
Okay, gotcha.
Your Honor, Ms. Carly has arrived.
Yes, ma'am. Hi.
Good morning. I'm sorry I'm late. I had to be in the 437 this morning, but I could talk to a prosecutor.
Sure.
Patrick, I just saw your email from an hour ago. I will send out the.
Okay, thank you much.
All right, Chris, I just sent that out to you.
It looks like Mr. Sanchez is back from conferring.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Judge, we have an offer. I just need to go over with Mr. Garcia, make sure that he is going to do it.
Okay, December 9th, when we said.
I couldn't make you out, Judge. Sorry.
December 9th, 9.
December 9th?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Sure. Mr. Finch, how are you, sir?
Good morning, Judge. I just wanted to let you know, you signed a dismissal for my client's case already this morning. I let Aleda know that and I've been excused, but I wanted to say hello.
All right, good to see you.
Thank you. Y'all have a good morning. Thank you. Thank you, Chris.
Patrick, that paperwork should be sent. Also going to put you in a breakout room. I want to ask you a question real quick.
Okay.
Excuse me, Judge Angelini, Damian Signs.
Yes, sir.
Could I be placed back in a breakout room, please, with the prosecutor?
Yeah, talk to Ms. Castillo. Shouldn't be a problem.
Thank you.
This is Linda Corley. I'm ready to announce when the court's ready for me.
The judge will be with you shortly.
Anybody ready on anything?
Yes, Judge, I'm ready to announce.
Yes, ma'am.
I have conferred on Alaric Petty, case number 665-449. They're going to review the case and get an offer to me in email that I'll talk to my client about. I'd like to get if I could get a reset.
December 9th, you got it.
I'm sorry, December
9.
Perfect. Thank you, Judge.
Sure thing. Have a good day.
All right, you too.
Mr. Ballantyne, whatever happened on that case?
I believe he's conferring with the state right now again.
Okay, Ms. Castillo, I'm going to recess and I will be back. I'm gonna take off at the courthouse and I should be there, an hour. So.
Okay, do you want to take Mr. Zimmerman's announcement?
Yeah, yes, sure. Anybody's ready, I'll do right now.
Judge, we're about 2 minutes from submitting this paperwork. If
Yeah,
that's-
I'll wait. Okay. Get it to me so I can get you on. Be glad to.
Excuse me, we have a quick question.
Yes, ma'am. Who's talking?
This is for Mark Casares. He's present. We were having technical difficulties in getting him logged in.
Okay.
Judge, that's
But
my.
we just
Okay, he's in your, okay.
Thank you.
I need to see him. Okay, let's go.
Turn on your video.
There you go. All right.
How you doing?
What's up,
Judge,
Ruben?
This
How you
is
doing?
the client I told you that he has a felony pending that has not been indicted. And I still need to get discovery both on this case and that.
All right, you got till December 9th. Get it done.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Zimmerman, what's the deal?
Yes, Judge, I have conferred with the state. They have offered a provisional dismissal on this criminal trespass. I need to provide some documentation. I need to get that from the Josephine Recovery Center. So if I could get a reset to produce.
December 9th. You got till December 9th.
Okay.
Yeah.
You had, Judge, you had asked for a discovery acknowledgement. Is that still necessary?
No, it's not.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Judge. If I may be excused.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you. Oh, Judge, I'm sorry. December 9th, I think I'm going to be about 30 to 50 feet underneath the Gulf of Mexico, underneath the waters. So
December 15th.
That's good. That's good. Thank you, Judge.
Sure.
Your Honor, can we excuse Mr. Torres from custody? He's in custody. James Merritt says that he's got jail court on Friday.
Okay, that's fine. Mhm.
Torres, you may leave.
Give us, Torres. Didn't Linda Corley already check off? Is that with Mr. Petty?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Mr. Petty, you can go about your business, sir.
That paperwork should be in on Davila, Your Honor.
I already signed it, but they have to go back and come back with it.
Okay.
All right, I got it on Davila, ready to go. All right, this call is number 616786. The state of Texas versus Cecilia Davila. Are you Cecilia Davila?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right,
it was one who went down wrong.
You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
All right. Are you saying Ms. Davila is charged with obstruction of highway? Is that you, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Right. First of all, Mr. Valentine, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under our discovery rules?
I believe we have, Your Honor.
All right. Second, have you complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Davila, I have some papers here from your attorney in the district attorney's office, which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, I have.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand, ma'am, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what can happen to you if you plead? Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have a right to a trial by jury to contest this matter if you want to? Did you know that?
Yes, I understand.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yes, sir.
Did anyone force you or make you give up that right?
No, Your Honor.
All right. How do you plead to this offense?
Guilty.
Did anyone force you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Then I'm going to find a plea voluntarily made. State, you may proceed.
There'll be a $500 fine.
I'm sorry?
$500 fine.
Okay.
Court costs. 12 months deferred adjudication. 48 hours community service. DWI education. Victim impact panel. ATP evaluation. Ignition interlock for half the term. And the state was waiving count 1, proceeding on count 2, obstruction of the highway.
That's your understanding, Mr. Valentine?
It is, Judge. I'd like to speak briefly on the community service at the appropriate time.
Okay. This is the appropriate time. Shoot.
Okay, Ms. Davila has some significant physical limitations. Cecilia, would you hold your arm up for the judge to, she has injuries to her arm requiring surgery, injuries to her back, which makes her unable to perform any significant community service. She is willing to pay off a reasonable amount, but we would ask Your Honor to take her physical limitations into consideration.
Sure. All right. State is waiving count 1. We're proceeding on count 2. Ma'am, I'm going to give you 12 months of deferred adjudication probation, $500 fine plus court costs. The 48 hours community service can be bought off at minimum wage. DWI education program, victim impact panel, and ATP evaluation and ignition and lock device replacement, all vehicles that are home for 6 months. And the money can be bought off and paid to whatever the appropriate organization she wants to pay it to. As long as check it with Mr. Richardson, make sure it's a legit program. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Sure. Ms. Davila, you need to stay on and talk to Mr. Richardson.
Yes.
All right, we're going to be in recess and I'll be in the courtroom in about an hour. All right.
Oh,
We'll see y'all in a minute.
Well, you said it. I'm so used to it.
Corey, you're in room 1. Okay, so Tanya Ibarra, what happened to the attorney